I'm sure that my team can beat anyone, and if tomorrow we do a good game in every aspect of the game, in defense, in attack, if we compete as we know, we are able to beat them. I think tomorrow we have enough motivation to face the game, no? Because if we win, we play at home away again. If we win them, we're going to go ahead of them in the standings. It's a big game against a very good team, against very good players, and I think it's enough motivation for us. We come from a loss, we come from bad feelings, and we are looking forward to recover good feelings, to make enjoy our people, and I think this is enough motivation for us. I don't want to think in other things.
We have a very good team. It's very clear because the performance of the start of the season was very good, and of course also they find very good players. I think, in my point of view, they are support the team, and it's a compact team. They are very clear in attack. They are very clear in defense. And my point of view, tomorrow will be a difficult match, and I think it's for the people to love football 100% enjoy the matches, because when both teams wants to play football, at the end is good for us supporters.